Welcome back to Good Morning Boss. Mga boss, ang Pilipinas ay tahanan sa nagagandahang mga tourist destinations, lalo na ang mga beaches. At alam nyo ba, na ang isang beach resort sa may Pagudpod, Ilocos Norte ay magsasagawa ng isang pageant. Ito ang Search for the Mr. and Miss Hanas Ecotourism 2015. Kaya ngayong umaga makakasama natin ang mga organizers ng naturang pageant. Una-una, ang founder ng Search for the Mr. and Miss Hanas Ecotourism Ambassadors 2015. Walang iba kundi si Colonel Rick Nolasco Jr. Good morning.
Good morning.
And kasama rin natin ang isa sa kanilang organizer, si Miss Gwen Rubibis. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so welcome to the studio, sir. Okay, so firstly, this pageant started last year. So bakit niyo po naisipan na gawin tong pageant na to?
Actually, because we would like to stress upon the people about the environmental preservation and environmental, yes, particularly with the tourism industry. Alam nyo, that is one major problem now. Kung magtatayo ng isang tourism industry sa isang lugar, basically, ang nagiging problema talaga yung the sewage system, the garbage disposal, that will destroy the environment later on. So it's a sad thing na bago mangyari yun, we really have to have some spokesperson that would inculcate to our visitors and to the general public about the need to protect.
Yes, alam mo sir, totoong-totoo yan dahil issue na nga yan sa napakaraming islands ng Pilipinas, nagsusulputan yung mga resorts, pero naiisip din kaya yung mga owners kung paano pangalagaan yung sanitation, etc. So, that's good sir, na coming from the owner of the beach resort, may ganyan po kayong linya.
Actually, that's the major advocacy of Hanas Beach Resort. Hindi lang yan sa pageant na gagawin namin. Actually, being also the president of the Pagudpod Resort Association in Ilocos Norte, we usually conduct orientation seminars and we ask speakers. We have the LGUs that make conferences and meetings just to discuss all of these matters.
Yes.
Katulad na garbage problem namin, disposals, sa segregation also siyempre, yung mga biodegradable and degradable. All of these are small things.
Yes.
Pero malaking bagay ito later on.
Alright. Okay, so since last year, Miss Gwen, nagsimula itong pageant na to. So, ano ba yung mga bagong bagay na expect natin sa pageant this year?
This year we'll be sure na it'll be better than last year. Kasi we know already the flaws of last year's pageant eh. So, this year parang mas pulido na kami sa pag-organize ng pageant. Okay.
Ano ba yung proseso ng pagsali dito sa pageant from the elimination rounds until the final rounds by next week, right? So, ano yung mga expect natin during the program?
During the program, we'll have 5 portions.
Okay.
First is the production number. Then the second is the national costume na part. Then third is for the swimwear. And the last, the fourth one is the formal wear, and the last is the Q&A. Okay,
so how many candidates do we have for this pageant?
We have 10 males and 10 females.
Okay. So sir, I heard na elimination round, nagsimula siya dito sa Manila. So, kamusta po yung pagkalap nyo nung best mismo? Paano nyo na-determine na sila yung best 10 males and best 10 females to represent for the finals?
Definitely, because these are ambassadors. The major component also is the Q&A.
Okay.
We would like to press upon how can they be able to express themselves to spread these advocacies.
Yes.
Secondly, siyempre, maganda yung personality nila.
Yes.
So that also is a major point how we choose these candidates. So nakakatuwa naman because this year the candidates came from all over the Philippines.
Yes.
And we exceeded the expectations. More than 100 ang nag-apply.
Wow.
So, yun nga. We chose the best 10 females.
Gwen, ano ba ang rules ng mga mananalo dito sa pageant na to? Anong gagawin nila for the whole year?
They'll be the ambassador of the resort. They'll be the main spokesperson of the resort. So, kailangan talaga they can speak properly, fluently na they can communicate.
All right. Okay, sir. So, as a final note, please do invite everyone. Is this open to the public?
Yes, this is open. The event would be on May 16. That would be a Saturday. And definitely, we would like to invite everybody to watch and enjoy the pageant itself. And of course, to visit Hanas.
Yes.
Dahil alam nyo naman, we are proud to be the most awarded beach resort now in the Philippines.
Yes.
And lately we got the award of the Gawad America Award. And this award was at least came from the abroad pa.
Yes.
So we're really recognized now as one of the best tourist destination now in America.
Alright, ayan. So sa lahat ng mga boss natin, let's visit the Jewel of the North, right? Sa Pagudpod, Ilocos Norte, muli nakasama natin ang ng Search for the Mr. and Miss Hanas Ecotourism Ambassador 2015. Walang iba kundi si Colonel Rick Nolasco Jr. at si Miss Gwen Rubibis. Ngayon naman, makakasama natin ng ilan sa mga candidates para dito sa search na to. Makakasama natin si Audrey.
Okay, maraming salamat, Jules. At tama ka dyan, kasama natin ang 3 candidates dun sa may mangyayaring pageant. Maaari niyo bang ipakilala ang inyong mga sarili?
Hi, good morning. My name is Dinalyn De La Vega, representing Taguig City.
Morning, everyone. I'm Hannah BTSC Marinian, representing Binyan City.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. I'm representing Laguna.
Okay. At isang tanong lang, paano itong pageant na to na maipopromote ang ecotourism? Sa tingin ninyo, paano maipopromote ang ecotourism sa pamamagitan ng pageant na to?
Para po sa amin, to promote ecotourism, we can do it by like Facebook, social media, na pwede po natin sabihin na yung for the Hanas, to come to the Hanas and enjoy kung ano yung merong facilities in Hanas and to have fun. Kasi yun naman talaga yung all about Hana. Magsaya yun with your friends.
Ano ba yung mga dapat makita doon ng mga kababayan natin sa may Hanas Beach Resort?
Siguro para sa akin, ang makikita nila is yung ganda ng karagatan at yung beach resort mismo. Kung saan magiging komportable sila, magiging masaya, hindi lamang mga pangkaibigan, kundi pang pamilya. At ang mga tao sa Ilocos din kasi, they are very hospitable tourists naman.
Okay, please invite them na manood sa darating na Sabado na pala ito.
So, guys, if you wanna enjoy and with prestigious pageants, come on Hanas Beach Resort at Ilocos Pagudpod. It's gonna be on May 16, Saturday. Ayun po.
Okay, nakasama po natin ang 3 sa contestants ng pageant na yan, na si Miss Dinalyn De La Vega, Hannah Merino at Karan Sindole. Okay, dyan lamang po kayo dahil magbabalik pa ang Good Morning Boss.